Hi. Now we will place the two charges first in air or vacuum. And let us say that the magnitude of the electrostatic force between them is denoted by the symbol F. So it is found to be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. This is only the magnitude of the force between the two charges, where epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. So this is permittivity. Epsilon naught is the permittivity of a free space. Now the same two charges, I am going to place them inside water or any other medium at the same distance of separation. So inside a medium such as water. So I am going to take the symbol F is equal to 1 by 4 pi into epsilon. In place of epsilon naught, I am going to use the symbol epsilon, where epsilon is called the permittivity of the medium. What do you mean by permittivity? Permit means what? To allow. So how far there is an allowance, okay, by the medium to either attract or repel the other charge. There is some permission that is required. That is only called as what? The permittivity. So instead of epsilon naught, I am using the symbol epsilon for the same two charges Q1 into Q2. For the same distance of separation, it is R square. So this is the magnitude of the force between the same two charges at the same separation distance, but the medium is different now. So I am going to use different symbols. I will write here F, air, A-I-R, F in air or vacuum. And here F, M-E-D, medium, F for a medium. Or simply I can write F-A and F-M. Okay, so Fa is the symbol for the force between the two charges in air or vacuum, and Fm is the symbol for the force between the charges in a given medium, where epsilon is called as permittivity of the given medium. So this is a permittivity of the medium. Also, it is found that this epsilon is also equal to epsilon r times epsilon naught, where another symbol we have introduced, that is epsilon r is equal to epsilon divided by epsilon naught. Okay, epsilon r is equal to epsilon, that is the permittivity of a given medium is compared with the permittivity of free space. So this is called as the relative permittivity. So this is the relative permittivity of the given medium. So it is a ratio of permittivity of the medium to the permittivity of free space. So the unit of permittivity as well as the unit of permittivity of free space, both are one and the same. Since it is the ratio of these two units, epsilon r does not have any unit. So epsilon r has no unit, since it is the ratio of epsilon and epsilon naught. Okay students, now you see that I will take the ratio of force in air to the force in the medium. You see here I am taking the ratio of Fa and Fm, so that what will happen, the constants 1 by 4 pi here, 1 by 4 pi, everything is getting cancelled. I will write the entire term like this. So this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. When I divide this by the second term, I can multiply by the reciprocal. So that this will be equal to 4 pi into epsilon into R square divided by Q1 into Q2. So this is Q1 into Q2. I have multiplied by the reciprocal. So that whichever terms are getting cancelled, you see that this 4 pi and 4 pi is getting cancelled. Q1, Q2 and also R square is getting cancelled. So F air divided by F medium is equal to this epsilon, okay, divided by epsilon naught. So in place of epsilon, I can substitute epsilon is also equal to epsilon r into epsilon naught. So this is equal to epsilon r into epsilon naught divided by epsilon naught, which is getting cancelled. So this is equal to what? Epsilon r. Therefore, F in air is equal to epsilon r times F in a medium. This is a greatly important relation for solving the numerical problems in NEET and JEE. So this is very important relation. Can you see that the force between two charges in air is epsilon r times the same two charges experiencing a force Fm. So here epsilon r, okay, epsilon r is equal to 1 for air. For air, epsilon r is equal to 1 and epsilon r is greater than 1 for medium, for any medium. Okay. So since epsilon r is always greater than 1, F air is always greater than F medium. So this is very important for solving the numerical problems. So when two charges are kept in different media, in which media or in which medium the force will be maximum is either air or vacuum. In any other medium such as water or alcohol or any other medium other than air and vacuum, if you place the same two charges separated at the same distance, the force will be always less. Understand that? So F in air is epsilon r times F in a medium. Okay.